Hello, Mr. Gold here. I'm going to go ahead and go over adding probabilities, the 8.2 worksheet for Monday. Let's go over numbers 1 and 2. So given the two sets below, give the sets that represent their union and their intersection. So we're going to be looking for the union, which is the P of A, U, B, right? The U stands for union. And that's what we're going to be looking for here. And for the intersection, we're going to be looking at the P of A upside down U, B. That means the intersection. And the other way that you can think about it is the union is going to be or, and the intersection is going to be and. Now, first thing we'll do is we'll draw a little Venn diagram over here. That's horrible. Hold on. Let's try it a little bit bigger. That's not the worst thing I've ever done, but we do what we can. And let's go ahead, and as you see, I'm going to change the color up here and make the second circle, or weird egg shape. All right. So we're looking for the numbers that are the same. That's going to go in our intersection. So we look over here, we see that 5, and what I'm going to do is change the color one more time just so you guys can see a difference. So 5, 9, and 9, and 13 and 13. All right. So those are going to be the intersection numbers. So when you look over here, this is going to be, the set is going to look like this. It's going to have 5, 9, 13. And we're going to go ahead and put these numbers in here. Hopefully I can make them fit. There we go. Okay. So those are the numbers that they share. That's the intersection. So now let's look at A, right? So A, I'm going to flip on back to the red. And there we go. A, excuse me, 3, 7, and 11 are what we have left. So that's going to go right here. 3, 7, 11. All right? So we have those, and then we go over here. We have 1 and 17. And we'll change it back to the blue. I think that's the right blue. Maybe it is, maybe it's not, but we'll make it work. Okay? For B, 1 and 17. Excuse me. All right. So now that we have those numbers, we can go and we're going to put the red and blue numbers over here. So that's going to be, this set will be, and I'm just going to use the blue color because it's here. 1, 3, I'm going in order, that's why I skipped 1, 3, 7, 11, and 17. And when we look at that, so these are all of the numbers that it doesn't share, but you need to remember the OR section of it. So the OR section means that it can be the shared numbers. So the union is going to look, the finished union will actually look like this. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 17. Those are all of the possible numbers without anything being shared. All right. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers in total that we can choose from here. But overall, we have 11 numbers. So it's an 8 out of 11 chance here, and it is a 3 out of 11 chance here. Now, don't let this part confuse you over here. This was me just letting you know what numbers were from A and B that weren't overlapping. I'll just put not, and I'll do the intersect, right? Those are the ones that were in the intersect, and we're going to put it in. So we got the union here, and we have the intersection here. Now, let's go on to the next part. Verify the addition law for the union of the two sets. So A or B is going to be all of this plus all of this. Rewind. Sorry about that. It's going to be all of this equals this plus this minus this. That's what I meant. I apologize for that. So let's go ahead and do it. Let's go ahead and put A or B. We're going to get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 17. Sorry, my commas look more like ones, and therefore it's getting a little confusing over here. I am writing on the computer, just to be clear. So that should equal this, which I'm going to go ahead and do in, I'll just do it in red because technically those other numbers in the middle do count, right? So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Let me fix that. There we go. And we're going to add that set to the B set, and that's going to be the blue. All right, so we're going to have 1, 5, 9, 13, and 17. And now it wants us to subtract the A and B, right? Our intersection here. Excuse me. And that is going to be 5, 9, and 13. And think about it. What it's really saying is how many here, right? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. We've got 5 here. And we want to make sure that that we're going to end up with 8 over here and 8 over here, and also the same numbers, right? So 5, 9, let's fix that because that looks less of a 9 and more like a 7. 5, 9, and 13. So we're going to do that. We're going to go ahead and subtract it. So we'll just take it out of this one because it's the easiest. You can take it out of either set. All right. So you take that out and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers, right? And just so you can see it, I'll do it in black. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers, and let's check it. Right? We have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 17. And that's it. If you have any questions, please reach out to Miss Coles or myself. Thanks, guys. Gold out.